Hi everyone, again it's me your math teacher Jel. For today's video, I will show you how to evaluate logarithms. The logarithm of a number. The logarithm x of a number n to the base b is the exponent of the power to which b is raised to obtain n. So in symbols, kung isusulat natin siya, so this becomes the logarithm of n to the base b equals x. So where x is your logarithm, n is the power. Okay? And then b is the base. If and only if b raised to x equals n. So, sa previous video natin, in-explain natin doon na dapat uh, inverses of each other kapag na-express natin siya or na i-write natin siya in exponential form or vice versa sa logarithmic form. Okay? So, let's answer the following examples. Evaluate the following logarithms. So, number 1, logarithm of 27 to the base 3. Okay, so, much better na i-represent natin as x. Okay? Ayun, yung unknown natin. So, to which value of 3 or the value of x na ang sagot ay 27. So, this becomes your exponent. Okay? So, magiging 3 raised to x equals 27. Okay? So, express 27 in exponential form. Bring down 3 raised to x, or copy nyo lang yan, equals 3 cube, right? Tama? Okay? Kasi 3 times 3 ay 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, so since we have now same bases, so just cancel out or drop the bases. X equals 3. Okay? So the answer, kapag in-evaluate natin to guys, the answer is equal to 3. Okay? So ganun lang kasimple. Next, number 2, we have the logarithm of 625 to the base 5. Okay. So, i-represent natin yung unknown value as x. Okay. Sinusundan lang natin to guys. So, we have the base, yung b. So, ito 5. Yung n natin, yung power ay 625. So, the logarithm ay x. So, 5 raised to x equals 625. Okay? So, express 625 in exponential form. So, this becomes 5 raised to x equals 5 raised to 4. Very good. Okay, kasi 5 times 5 ay 25 times 5 is 125 times 5, 625. So, therefore, since magkapares na yung base natin, drop the bases or cancel the bases. So, x now equals 4. Nasundan ako guys. So, napakadali lang. So, kapag in-evaluate natin to, the logarithm of 625 to the base 5 is equal to 4. So, the value of x equals 4. Gets? Next example. Number 3. The logarithm of 9 to the base 3. So, i-represent natin yon as equal to x. So, 3 raised to x equals, of course, 9. Express 9 in exponential form. So, dapat magkapareha sila. Parang nagsosolve lang tayo ng solving exponential equations. Kung matatandaan nyo guys, sa mga previous video natin. So, 9 becomes 3 squared, right? Kapag in-express natin yung 9 in exponential form, magiging 3 squared kasi 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay? So, magkapares ang bases na. So, ang gagawin ay drop the bases. So, x now is equal to 2. Okay? Next example. So, we have the logarithm of, so example number 4, the logarithm of 3 to the base 9. So guys, huwag kayong malilito. Yung base natin dapat ay subscript siya. Okay? So, represent as x, yung unknown value. Okay, so 9 raised to x equals 3. So, ang goal natin dito guys, dapat magkapares na base, right? So, express 9 in exponential form. So, this becomes 3 squared, right? Since we have the variable x, so do not forget. So, this becomes 3 raised to 2x equals 3. Okay? Same base na sila guys. So, equate now the exponent. So, huwag kayo malilito kapag wala kayo nakita exponent dito, which means 1 yon guys. Okay? So, 2x equals 1. Okay, very good. So, solving for x, divide all terms by positive 2. Yun. And then, cancel out natin to. So, x is remaining, right? So, x now is equal to 1/2. Nasundan ba ako, guys? So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay. Number 5. So, number 5, we have logarithm of 1/9 to the base 3. So, represent natin as x. Okay? So, 3 raised to x equals 1/9. So, guys, wag kayo malilito. Yung tinuro ko before, kapag fraction to, ibig sabihin, yung magiging exponent nito ay negative, right? Okay? So, copy 3 raised to x equals, so 1/9 expressed in exponential form. So, this becomes 3 raised to negative 2, right? Tama? Okay. So, x now equals negative 2. Okay? Kasi, kapag ito in-evaluate natin, 3 raised to negative 2, magiging 1/3 squared. And then, yung denominator, simplify natin, which is 3 squared, becomes 9. So, 1/9. Okay? So, the answer is x equals negative 2. Okay. Next. So, what if, guys, meron naman tayo ditong radical. So, huwag kayong malilito at huwag kayong kakabahan. Okay lang yan. So, tutulungan ko kayo para mas lalo pang maintindihan yung mga lessons. So, logarithm of 5 square root of 5 to the base 5. Okay. So, ganun lang. Sa mga previous examples natin, ang gagawin dyan. Okay? So, 5 raised to x equals 5 then square root of 5. Okay. So, guys, 'di ba ang goal natin dito, dapat magkaparehas na base or equal base sila. So, dito guys, copy nyo lang muna yan. And then, bring down yung 5 or copy. Yung square root of 5, okay, express natin in exponential form. So, magiging times 5 raised to, very good, raised to 1/2. Okay? Bakit naging raised to 1/2? Kapag radical, okay, that is equal to 1/2. Kapag, square root yan, raised to 1/2. Kapag cube root, raised to 1/3. Right? Kapag fourth root, raised to 1/4. Okay. So, magkapares yung base natin dito. Copy nyo lang ulit yan, guys. And then, we have the exponent, right? Tama. So, 1 and then plus 1/2. So, the answer is 5 raised to 3/2. Okay, nasundan ba ako? Kasi, we have rules sa or law of exponent. Kapag ganito, ipag-add natin yung exponent, right? So, wag kakalimutan. So, x is equal to 3/2. Okay? So, that is the value. So, ganun lang kasimple at huwag papalito. Okay? Next, number 7. So, number 7, the logarithm of 0.01 to the base 10. Okay, represent natin yan as equal to x, yung unknown value. So, 10 raised to x equals 0.01. So, ang goal natin dito guys ay dapat magkaparehas sila ng base, right? So, since 10 na to, we cannot express or write it in exponential form. So, yan na talaga. But 0.01 can be expressed in exponential form. So, this becomes very good. 10 raised to negative 2. Right? Okay. So, x now, since magkaparehas na sila, drop the bases or cancel. X is equal to negative 2. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so we have number 8, 9, and 10. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, pwede nyong sagutan yung number 8, 9, and 10. Comment your answer sa number 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Kung meron kayong natutunan sa videong ito, kindly like and share. Again, this is Sir Jello, your math teacher. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.